Hello, dear students. Good
Hello.
morning. How are
Hello.
you today?
Hi, teacher.
Today we'll learn some useful expressions to use in class. Estas expresiones las utilizamos para comunicarnos mejor con su teacher y también con sus compañeros. Let's start. Let's begin. Empecemos. The first expression, la primera expresión. What is the objective for today? ¿Cuál es el objetivo para hoy? Okay? What is the objective for today? Please repeat after me. What is the objective for today?
What
What
is
is the objective
for
today?
today?
Okay, an example. The objective for today is...
Common expressions that we are going to use during class.
Very good, Daniel. The objective for today is learn common expressions to use in class. Next, siguiente. What are we going to do in this activity? Please repeat after me. What are we going to do in this activity?
What are we going to do in this activity?
We are going to work in pairs and practice classroom expressions. ¿Qué vamos a hacer? Trabajar en pares y practicar las expresiones de clase. Next one. What do you have to do? Please repeat after me. What do you have to do?
What do you have to do?
What do you have to do?
Very good. ¿Qué tenemos que hacer o qué tienes que hacer? For example, here. We have to work in pairs and practice classroom expressions. Tenemos que trabajar en pares y practicar las expresiones de clase. Here we have expressions. The first one is, what is the vocabulary about? What is the vocabulary about? Can you say that? Please repeat after me. What is the vocabulary about?
What is the vocabulary about?
¿De qué se trata el vocabulario?
Fruits.
Fruits. Yes, very good. Si un teacher les pregunta, what is the vocabulary about? Nosotros, ¿qué vamos a responder? The vocabulary is about fruits. Please repeat after me. The vocabulary
Fruits. Fruits.
¿De qué se trata el vocabulario entonces? ¿De?
About fruits.
It's about fruits.
Second one. What did Juan say? Okay, please repeat after me. What did Juan say?
What did you say?
¿Qué dijo Juan? Bueno, chicos, yo soy de Colombia, tengo 25 años. Entonces, ¿qué respondemos ante esa pregunta? Respondemos.
He said he was born in Colombia.
Excellent, Santiago. Very good. He said he was born in Colombia. Repeat after me, please. He said he was born in Colombia.
He said
He was born in Colombia.
Excellent. Listen to me first. Okay? So, okay, let's say. Okay, hello guys. My name is Carlos Gonzalez and I am 25 years old. Okay? I am from Peru. Daniel, what did the teacher say? Look, what did the teacher say?
He said he was 25 years old and he was born in Peru.
Excellent, Daniel. Next expression. How do you pronounce this word? Okay? Please repeat after me. How do you pronounce this word?
How do you pronounce this word?
¿Cómo se pronuncia esta palabra? For example, how do you pronounce computer? Please repeat after me. How do you pronounce computer?
How do you
pronounce computer?
How do you pronounce masterpiece?
Okay. Masterpiece.
Masterpiece. Okay.
Yes. estoy respondiendo a tu pregunta, ¿cierto? Te estoy diciendo cuál es la pronunciación. Excellent, very good.
Teacher, how do you pronounce clockwork?
Oh, well, you already know, ya lo sabes. Okay, clockwork. Very good.
How do you pronounce the transmission?
Transmission. Transmission. Como les decía, ¿ok? Como les decía, vamos a seguir utilizando algunas otras expresiones, como por ejemplo, what does book mean? ¿Ok? ¿Qué significa book? ¿Cuándo utilizamos esta pregunta? Cuando queremos preguntar acerca del significado de una palabra en inglés. Cuando queremos saber qué significa en español. ¿Ok? Now, please repeat after me. What does book mean?
What does book mean?
What does book mean?
Cynthia, book means libro.
Thank you.
What does mouse mean, Anna?
Mean ratón.
Excellent. The next one, okay? This one. How do you say triste in English? Esta expresión la utilizamos cuando queremos saber el significado, pero inglés, ¿verdad? Now, please repeat after me. How do you say triste in English?
How do you say
In English?
Please repeat after me. How do you say feliz in English?
How do you say feliz in English?
English.
Happy. How do you spell the word sad? Okay, again, how do you spell the word sad? Please repeat after me. How do you spell
How do you spell the
The
word
word
sad?
sad.
The word sad.
Very good, excellent.
How do you
Okay,
spell the
very
word
good.
sad?
¿Cómo se deletrea la palabra sad? ¿Cómo se deletrea la palabra sad? Okay, please repeat after me. Sad spells S-A.
S-A-D.
Excellent, very good.
Hi, Jose. How do you spell house?
House spelled House.
Daniel, how do you spell this?
Daniel?
Desk is spelled D-A-S-K.
D-E-S.
S-K.
Excellent. Ok. Siguiente expresión por acá. Can you read the instructions, please? Can you read the instructions, please? Repeat after me. Can you read the instructions, please?
Can you read the instructions,
Instructions, please.
Excellent. Very good. ¿Puedes leer las instrucciones, por favor? La expresión es can you explain it again? Can you explain it again? Please repeat after me. Can you explain it again?
Can you explain it again?
Can you explain it again?
Very good. ¿Lo podrías explicar de nuevo? Okay. Is it correct to say? Is it correct to say? Repeat after me, please. Is it correct to say?
Is it
Correct to say.
Excellent. ¿Es correcto decir? Is it correct to say I is a student? Is it correct to say I is a student? Entonces,
No.
No es correcto.
no es correcto, ¿verdad? Phrase, en este caso es una frase, is I am
Student.
I'm sorry, I didn't get it. Can you repeat, please? Can you repeat, please? Okay. Repeat after me, please. I'm sorry, I didn't get it.
I'm sorry, I didn't get it.
Can you repeat, please?
Can you repeat, please?
Disculpa, no entendí. ¿Puedes repetir, por favor? Tengo una pregunta, teacher, disculpe. Excuse me, I have a question. Okay, what is your question? ¿Cuál es tu pregunta? Siguiente frase. I'm sorry. Can you help me, please? Luis, Romaldo, María, Samantha, Álvaro, Ana. Okay? Different names. Okay? Repeat after me, please. I'm sorry. Can you help me?
Can you help me, please?
Expresiones que vamos a utilizar cuando trabajemos ejercicios. Por ejemplo, can you give us an example, please? Can you give us an example, please? Repeat after me. Can you give us an example, please?
Can you give us an example, please?
Can you give us an example, please? Tomato,
Carrot,
carrot,
lemon,
Potatoes,
potato.
potatoes.
One more.
corn,
Boqueiras.
Corn. Okay. Excellent. Very good. All right. Next expression. What is the difference between A and B? Okay. Again, what is the difference between A and B? Please repeat after me. What is the difference between
What is the difference between
A and B.
B?
Excellent. ¿Qué estamos aquí preguntando? La diferencia, ¿cierto? ¿Cuál es la diferencia entre un objeto A y otro objeto B? O una palabra A y una palabra B. ¿Cierto? Muy bien, aquí tenemos un ejemplo entonces. ¿Cómo decimos este objeto en inglés? ¿Quién me puede decir?
Vas.
bus,
Bus
and taxi,
Car.
Car. Yes, of course. Okay. A bus is bigger than a car. Miriam,
Yes.
can you please ask this question to Patricia, please?
Okay. What is the difference between bus and car?
The difference is a bus is bigger than a car.
Excellent. Very good, Patricia. Next. Are there any questions? Are there any questions? Repeat after me, please. Are there any questions? ¿Hay alguna pregunta o hay preguntas?
Any questions?
Okay. Y luego decimos, yes, I have a question.
Yes.
I have a question.
¿Qué pasa si todo está entendido? Bueno, si todo está entendido, decimos simplemente, no, there are no questions. Please repeat after me. No, there are no questions.
No.
Ahora mismo vamos a trabajar las frases que corresponden al trabajo en pares o trabajo en grupos. Which role are you going to take? I'll be student A or I'll be student B. Please repeat after me. I'll be student A.
I'll be
student B. ¿Qué significa esto?
Yo seré
¿Tienen también?
Yo soy estudiante A y yo seré estudiante B.
En este caso, el estudiante A es el que empieza y el estudiante B va segundo. ¿Ok? Next. Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Please repeat after me. Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Okay. Y la siguiente. Who wants to be a volunteer?
Who wants to be a volunteer?
Who wants to be a volunteer? Please repeat after me. I'll start.
I'll
I'll
start.
We'll start.
We start.
Who wants to be a volunteer? Who wants to be a volunteer? ¿Quién quiere ser voluntario? Daniel, let's change roles and do it again. Okay, Daniel? Daniel,
Okay.
I'll be student B.
And I'll be student A.
Excellent, very good, Daniel. Okay, so now, next expression. Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? Please repeat after me. Whose turn is it?
Whose turn?
Whose turn is it?
Si respondemos de manera individual, it's my turn.
It's my turn.
It's my turn. Y si yo le quiero decir a María, María, te toca a ti. Bueno, María, it's your turn.
It's my turn.
Uh-huh. Okay, now please repeat after me. It's my turn.
It's my turn.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
Summarizing. Please repeat after me. Summarizing. Resumen al final de la clase. Please repeat after me. Can you explain us?
Okay.
Can you explain
Can
us?
you explain
What did we learn?
This activity.
During this activity. ¿Nos puedes explicar qué aprendimos en esta actividad? In this activity, we learned how to use classroom expressions to better communicate with our teacher and our classmates. Okay, now repeat after me, please. Yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
In this activity,
in this
In
activity?
this activity,
we learn how to use
we learn how to use
classroom expressions.
classroom expressions.
Expression.
Who wants to be a volunteer? Okay, María Gabriela.
Yes, of course. In this activity, we learn how to use classroom expression to better communicate with our teacher and our classmates.
Excellent, very good. Maria, can you please ask this question, this question to Ana?
Can you explain what did we learn during this activity?
Activity, we
Of
learn
course.
how to use classroom expression to better communicate with our teacher and our classmates.
Excellent, Anna, very good pronunciation. Excellent, very good. Summarizing by steps. Please repeat after me. Summarizing by steps.
Summarizing by steps.
Okay. Resumen al final de la clase, pero por pasos. Okay? Repeat after me, please. Can you summarize steps, please?
Summarize steps, please.
Hello, Raúl. Raúl, can you summarize steps, please?
First, we said, then we learned about common expression in the classroom. After that, we work in small groups. Next, we learned about summarizing expressions. Later, we learned about summarizing
by steps, summarizing by steps. And finally,
I summarized.
You summarized. Very good. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.